What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey you guys, this is Veronica. Don't mind the table. That's like my painting table when I'm doing my craft stuff, but I didn't have anywhere to put her for the meantime. But I did buy a pot, this big pot right here, and I'm about to put that, you see I started already putting that dirt in there, and I'm going to transfer Miss Veronica into her new home. And my son and I have started a little garden here, and don't mind our grass and our weeds and stuff. We're treating all of that. This is all new to us, y'all, so we're trying to get it together and make it work. We put some stuff down and they're dying, so it's coming together. But anyway, I'm trying to plant some stuff for us to eat to kind of save some coin. So we eat a lot of fresh vegetables. So I am growing some spinach and some lettuce, and I need to label them because I keep forgetting what this pot is right here. And I believe this pot is, oh, think. I want to say it's like scallions, but I don't think that's what it is. If I remember, I'll come back. When I remember, I'll come back and tell y'all. My son is growing green peppers in the green thing, but he kind of messed that up, so we'll probably have to replant that. And then some lavender in the little pot right there. And this is supposed to be tomato in this little pot there. Focus. Yeah. So, yep, but the weeds are dying, y'all, as you can see. Can you see over there? Focus. Okay, I'm gonna take my finger out. So yeah, the weeds are dying, and we're trying to bring some life to our yard and the grass and stuff like that. So, yep. But this is my little project for right now. And this is the doghouse, but since we put the fertilizer and stuff down in the yard, we took it out of the yard. So this is just my little mini table for the meantime. But anyway, y'all, I will come back when Miss Veronica has her new home. Okay, y'all, Veronica is in her new home. Alright. I think she's gonna eventually outgrow this pot too. This is a pretty big pot, and I used a pretty good amount, about half that bag of soil. So I don't know, we'll see how she goes. My son got her as a gift from a teacher. He's doing very well in his agriculture class, and the teacher gifted him this aloe vera plant. And as y'all saw, that she outgrew that original pot, so we had to get her a new home. So this is where she'll be for a little bit, but I'm sure she will serve us well. I'm sure she'll be in some of my videos also. But yeah, aloe vera is a really good plant to have. It's one of those plants that has natural health benefits, so I look forward to using her and having her in the family for a little while. And she is sprouting some little newbies over here, so I'm looking forward to that plant. It looks like it's gonna be like a new stalk, so we'll see what goes on with that. So stay tuned for more of Miss Veronica in our mini garden, hopefully. A little insight on my materials. This Miracle Grow potting mix I got at Walmart, and that was like $14 for this big bag. This is a 56, what is this, 2 cubic feet. I don't know how many pounds it is, but it was really heavy for me. My son had to help me carry it back here in the backyard.
Hold up. I already know what you're gonna say. You're using the wrong soil. I know. This is future Elaina, okay? Yeah, we kind of got ahead of ourselves when we were planting Veronica. or replanting, transplanting Veronica. And we found out that we did need to buy cactus soil. So we did. We bought some cactus soil and we repotted her. You will see that in an upcoming vlog. Sorry, y'all. Sorry to get y'all all excited. But like I said, we're learning and we are going to make mistakes as we go through this whole adventure journey. Okay, so just kind of bear with us. We're learning. Don't think I'm not researching, because I am, but I can still also use tips and tricks. All right, back to the
And
vlog.
this potter I also got at Walmart, and that was $15. So, and little accessories, my gloves and the tools came from the Dollar Tree. And in our little mini garden back here, these potters also came from Walmart. Well, Walmart, the clay pots came from Walmart, and then these bins here came from the Dollar Tree. Yep. And I had those long bins like from a previous time we tried to plant, and it was unsuccessful. But now that we have our own little space here and we get a lot of sunlight, we're hoping to do much better this time. So if you want to see more of our little garden and what we're trying to do, yeah, just let us know in the comment section. We're hopefully planning, if things go well with these little situations here in these pots, we're hoping to just cultivate this whole bed here and then start growing like herbs and vegetables for, you know, our home. And then we have one on the other side as well. So if things go really, really well, we may just have our own little mini garden of healthy foods back here. So we'll see how it goes. And if there's anybody out there that's gardeners, tips and tricks are very, very much appreciated, because we are really, really new to this. Like, we're newbies. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're gonna, you know, YouTube Academy. We're gonna, you know, watch some YouTube videos and study up on stuff. So if anyone out there is already, you know, gardening and knows about this stuff, please hit us up so we can get educated. All right, we thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.